Welcome to Aiden AI, the channel where we explore the most powerful AI tools shaping the future. Here you'll find honest AI reviews, hands-on tests, and simple breakdowns of tools that can help you create faster, work smarter, and stay ahead in the AI world.
This is now how I manage my entire YouTube business. Every sponsorship, every video idea, every deadline, every content plan, everything lives here. And believe it or not, I didn't spend days building this. I didn't write any code. I didn't hire a developer. I didn't even use multiple AI tools. I simply described what I wanted, and an AI computer built the entire thing for me. The crazy part? It isn't another chatbot giving me suggestions. It actually completes the work and hands me something I can immediately use. So today I wanted to answer one question. Can an AI computer really build something useful enough to become part of my everyday workflow? Let's rewind and see how this happened.
Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, developer, or just curious about artificial intelligence, this channel helps you discover what's actually worth using. If you want to keep up with the latest AI innovation and tools, make sure to subscribe and let's explore the future of AI together.
Running a YouTube channel sounds simple until you actually do it. There are sponsorships to track, scripts to write, deadlines to remember, ideas that randomly pop into your head, analytics to review, client emails, content planning, and before you know it, your entire workflow is scattered across different apps. I've always wanted one place that could organize everything, not another note-taking app, not another productivity tool. A system that actually understands what I'm trying to build and helps me move faster. So instead of building one myself, I decided to give Imagine Computer a real challenge. I asked it to create a complete business dashboard that I could actually use every single day. Not a concept, not a mock-up, a real working project. Let's see what happens. So here's the challenge I gave Imagine Computer. I told it, build me a complete business dashboard for my YouTube channel. I want one place where I can manage sponsorships, organize video ideas, track production progress, plan upcoming uploads, and keep everything organized without switching between different apps. That was it. No complicated prompt engineering, no pages of instructions. Just a clear description of what I wanted. Instead of immediately generating random content, Imagine Computer first started planning the project. It broke the request into smaller tasks, figured out what needed to be built, and began working through them one by one. This is what immediately caught my attention. Most AI tools stop after giving you text or ideas. Imagine Computer keeps working until there's an actual result. You can literally watch the progress as it builds each part of the project behind the scenes. It's almost like watching someone complete the work for you. A few minutes later, I had the first version of my dashboard, and honestly, it was much better than I expected. It already included sections for sponsorship tracking, content planning, production status, and project organization. But I wasn't completely satisfied yet. There were a few things I'd want to use every day that were still missing, so instead of starting over, I simply continued the conversation. This is where the experience started to feel different. Normally, when you use AI, every new request almost feels like starting from scratch. Here, it actually remembered what we'd already built. I asked it to improve the sponsorship tracker, create a better dashboard layout, and organize upcoming projects by priority. Instead of rebuilding everything, it expanded on the existing project. It felt less like giving commands to an AI and more like collaborating with someone who already understood what I was trying to build. Of course, it wasn't perfect on the first attempt. One section of the dashboard wasn't organized the way I wanted. The production tracker felt a little cluttered, so I explained what I wanted to change, and within moments it regenerated that section while keeping everything else intact. That was actually one of my favorite parts of the whole process. I didn't have to rebuild the project, I simply refined it, just like working with a real teammate. Once I was happy with the final version, it was time for the moment I was waiting for. Instead of giving me another draft or another conversation, Imagine Computer generated the finished project and made it available to download. That's an important difference. A lot of AI tools help you brainstorm. Some help you write. Others help you design. But at the end of the day, you're still responsible for putting everything together. Here, the final result is actually delivered to you. So I downloaded the project and started using it like I would any other tool. I added a few upcoming sponsorships, created a content schedule for my next videos, organized ideas that were sitting in different notes, and plan my production timeline for the week. Everything was finally in one place. What surprised me the most wasn't how quickly it built a dashboard. It was how usable the final result actually felt. Instead of spending hours setting everything up myself, I could immediately start working. That completely changes how I think about AI. Instead of asking, can AI help me? The better question becomes, can AI actually finish the work? And that's the difference I noticed throughout this entire project. After using it for a while, I realized something. Imagine Computer isn't trying to be another chatbot, it isn't trying to become another writing assistant, and it isn't asking you to learn dozens of different tools. You simply describe what you're trying to build, and it works toward delivering the finished result. As I continued using it, it also started feeling more personal. It remembered the direction of the project, the improvements I had already made, and the style I was aiming for. Instead of starting over every time, it kept building on what we'd already created. That makes the experience feel much more natural, because that's how real projects work. You don't throw everything away every time you make a change. You improve what you've already built. And that's exactly how this workflow felt. So after building this project from start to finish, what's my biggest takeaway? I don't think the most interesting part is that AI can generate content anymore. We've all seen AI write text, generate images, create videos. That's not surprising anymore. What's interesting is when AI can actually take ownership of the work. Instead of giving you pieces to assemble yourself, it helps move the entire project forward until there's something real you can actually use. For me, that's what made this experiment different. I started with nothing more than an idea, a simple description of the workflow I wanted. And by the end, I had a finished business dashboard that I could immediately put to work. It wasn't just another demo. It became something useful. I think that's where tools like Imagine Computer become exciting, not because they replace creativity, but because they remove so much of the repetitive work that usually slows ideas down. You still decide what to build. You still make the important creative decisions. The AI simply helps turn those ideas into something tangible much faster. If you'd like to learn more about Imagine Computer, I'll leave the official link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. And now I'll leave you with the same question I asked myself before starting this project. So, what are you building next? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and let me know in the comments what would you build if an AI computer could help you bring your idea to life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.